Hello guys, in this video I'll be talking about factors that can affect the basicity of organic compounds. In this video I'll be talking about hybridization, how hybridization can affect the basicity. I already have made one video about hybridization on my channel. If you haven't watched that video, please watch so, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So in this video I'll be talking about how we can use hybridization concept in order to predict the basicity of organic compounds. Let's consider three examples: alkyne, alkene, and alkane. Alkanes are sp3 hybridized, alkenes are sp2 hybridized, and alkynes are sp-hybridized. If you look at the pKa value of alkyne is 25 and alkenes is 42 and alkanes have 50. So if you look at the acidic traits of these compounds, alkanes are going to be most least acidic, means most basic, and alkynes are going to be most acidic, hence going to be least basic. So this is a conjugate base which contains 50% S character, more closely held to nucleus, more stable, and sp3 hybridized contain less closely held to nucleus and hence less stable. So least acidic means most basic and most acidic means least basic. So this is how acidity and basicity is interrelated to each other. And you can also use pKa values. Higher the pKa value, lower will be the acidity, higher will be the basicity. I hope you understood this concept. Please watch more videos on this channel. Bye.